Hi, I'm Lauren Spike, and today I am talking about Give, the new beauty line from Gwen Stefani. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. So I'm not surprised that Gwen Stefani has done a beauty line. It seems a lot of musicians and celebrities are doing that these days. I think it's because it's a good income stream. You know, not that Gwen Stefani needs money, and I think she's a really good candidate to do her own line. She definitely has a signature look and, you know, with the red lipstick, and it looks like all the items in the line are to go along with that signature look, so it does feel very genuine, and she does seem like someone that is super into makeup, so why not? So we're going to go over all the items in the beauty line. Some I purchased, some I did not. If you like makeup, goth punk fashion, music videos, and giveaways, hit that subscribe button. I am here every week with a new video. So all these items are vegan, cruelty-free, and clean at Sephora. They all come in this cardboard recyclable packaging, which is great. Even the eyeshadow palette, the paper used in the palette is the brown recyclable paper, so that's cool, that's nice. All the packaging for this line looks amazing, and I'm a sucker for good packaging. The first item up is the lipstick I am wearing right now. It is I'm Still Here Longwear Clean Matte Liquid Lipstick. A lightweight, long-wearing, and transfer-proof clean liquid lipstick in an ultra matte finish. $31 Canadian from Sephora. The color is Original Recipe, which is a true red. I think it looks great. Is it transfer proof? Well, let's do a kiss test to find out. But definitely transfers. So not totally transfer proof, but transfer resistant. I would say it is long wearing. I have been wearing this all day. It's very comfortable, not drying. I think it looks great. And I really like the packaging. It must be acrylic with a gold lid. It says Give, then says me, you, yours on the side. And the applicator is kind of like a flat applicator, not my favorite. It's a lot thicker than some other liquid lipsticks that I have, but not too thick, not the thickest I've ever had. I can swatch it on my hand right now. Very pigmented, very nice liquid lipstick. Here's a better example. It's really just one swipe and done. Very pigmented. Lipstick also has a very sweet smell to it. Almost like a dessert, which is very nice. If you are looking for transfer proof red lipsticks, check out the other videos on my channel. I do baby kiss tests, or maybe they should be called toddler or child kiss tests with my son. And I also have a video just with red lipsticks coming up. They're not all transfer proof, but you'll get to see a lot of other different kinds of reds if that's what you're into. I am very happy she did a liquid lipstick because I don't wear bullet lipsticks or tube lipsticks. I think they're called bullet lipsticks. Even though the ones in this line look great, I love the packaging for these. I would just never use them, so didn't bother picking them up, but they look great. The other two lipsticks she has in this line are Original Me Clean High Performance Matte Lipstick and Amahine Shine Clean High Performance Satin Lipstick. Again, these look great. The packaging looks great. I just would never use them, so I didn't pick them up. Next, I have this eyeshadow palette. I got Danger Zone, which I'm wearing on my eyes right now. There's 4 in the collection: Rich Girl, and Just a Girl, Danger Zone, and Simple Life. The first 2 were sold out, so I only had Danger Zone and Simple Life to pick from. Both are really good choices, but I'm glad I went with Danger Zone. It is definitely colors I think I will use more than Simple Life, personally, but they all look like great choices, mostly nudes. I will swatch this right now. That's the black color, Never Know. It's like black with some gold sparkles, but the gold sparkles are not that strong. If you are really looking for gold sparkles, maybe not, but the next one, you won't be able to see it on my hand. It's pretty much the color of my skin almost, maybe a little bit lighter. It's, oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. It's called Too Late. And I am wearing it right here on my eye, but it's a very nice, like for the upper lid under the eyebrow. I will use that a lot for that. Next is Your Ghost, which is kind of almost like a caramel brown, maybe a medium brown. That's what that looks like. That is called Your Ghost. And the last one called Secret. And it is a dark brown. Well, not dark brown. Dark grayish brown. See, so. Very velvety, very nice. I think you can't go wrong with any one of the palettes. They all look so good. The eyeshadow palette was $36 Canadian. I'll put a link to everything in the description. It's about a mid-range line. It's around $30. There is one item in there that is more the All-Time Prime Clean Hydrating Prep and Smooth Face Oil. It was $62, and that was the reason I didn't buy it. I don't need that item right now, and just $62 just to try one item. You know, I might, if it was $30, I might have bought it, but I'm sure it's great. So another item I purchased was the Most Def Clean Instant Definition Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil. It was $31. The color that I got is number 5, which is a warm deep brown. There is 2 eyebrow pencils in this line. I decided to go with this one because I've never used an eyebrow pencil with this shape before. So I just wanted to try it as opposed to the other one, which I've tried something similar. Yeah, you just can make marks. I like it, it's good. Like, it's an eyebrow pencil. It looks good. This was $31. The other option was the Hella On Point Clean Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. And I just didn't buy it because I tried something similar before, so I just wanted to try one brow pencil. And there's one more item in the line that I didn't try, and it was the Line It Up Clear 24-Hour Gel Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner. I found that item kind of weird because to me, Gwen Stefani's signature look is liquid eyeliner. So it's weird that they had a gel eyeliner. So I'm pretty sure she uses liquid eyeliner. You need liquid eyeliner to get those crisp lines. I don't know the reasoning behind that. I'm sure she does use different types of eyeliner, but it's just that her look for me is like a nude eyeshadow, kind of like that Too Late color, with a liquid black eyeliner and then the red lips. So I'm surprised there wasn't a liquid liner in this beauty line, but maybe it's coming. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, please hit subscribe. Check out my giveaway playlist to see what giveaway I'm currently having right now. I try to do one once a month, and it's usually makeup. So thank you very much for watching.